Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at what we have now here. Isometric N2. So these two primary views are given in third angle orthographic projection, which means this one is your front view, this one is your right view. Actually, they were supposed to be given in first angle orthographic projection, so that it will be well exposed. Even these hidden details, they were gonna be well exposed. You are going to see it clearly. But then let's answer the question according to the way as it is given. So we are not going to create our own question, you understand? So do not redraw the given views, but draw to a scale 1:1 an isometric view of a casting of this casting. Point P must be the lowest point, no hidden details, it is required. So let us start. So you remember that you'll be advisable to start bottom, a little bit center of your drawing sheet, because what you're about to draw, it will be going up. So I'll start with a line out of dimension. This line from here till here, it's a center line, it's a faint line out of dimension. From there I will draw a perpendicular against it, you understand? So this point, I'll give it a name as point P, which is this P that they are talking about, you understand? So from there at point P, remember we use this set square, isn't it? 30-60 degrees anti-clock and clock. So from point P, I am going to have a faint line at an angle of 30 anti-clockwise like this, and twist it this side again like this. Then from there I will firstly draw this hexagon. 1, 2, it's octagon, it's not hex, because hex means 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is an octagon. So I will firstly draw it aside so that I take proper dimension, you understand? So somewhere up right hand corner of my drawing sheet, so I will draw this faint line out of dimension, isn't it? Then we are told that this octagon of ours is supposed to be 20 millimeter, and we're even given the radius, the diameter of it. So from here till here is 25 millimeter. So what do you do with that? So from this point, I'll put this angle out of dimension. Then I measure 25 millimeter. There is my 25. So I can erase here. And again from here till here, we know the properties of a octagon. All the sides, they must be equal. So there is my 25 millimeter. So which means I can erase here again. There you go. So we know with this point and that one, they must be at the same line in terms of horizontal. So I can easily put my T-square like this. So from here till here is 25 millimeter. So I can now go up and again up, you understand? Then I measure my 25 millimeter again. There it is. So again from here going up your 25 millimeter again. There it is. Then after that, I'll take this one up, faint and faint, so that I have this one. There you go, and here you go. Gotten your pentagon. You understand? So we've gotten our pentagon. So let's get the center of it. So from here till here is 25, isn't it? So 25 divided by 2, it is 12.5. So 10, 11.5 is between 12 and 13. You understand? So I'll have the center, then again this side, ten, 11, 12.5, between 12 millimeter and 13 millimeter. I can have my horizontal finish line. You understand? So it is absolutely correct. You see that they told you from here till there is 60 millimeter. So let's confirm that there is your 60 millimeter, isn't it? There it's absolutely correct. So you can have it solid. Draw it solid now. This one is parallel to this one. This one parallel to this one. So that was the simplest method of drawing an octagon. The properties of the octagon, all the sides they must be equal and they must be at an angle of 45 degrees. Then from there till here, from there till here. Right, so now we can go back to our P point. Take your drawing compass, put it from here till there, which is a half of 60, isn't it? It's 30. So I come and measure the 30 this side, because this is the right view most. So I must have this side there is my 30 and 60 is right there. So where I have this one, I can put the vertical center line. There it is, just a little bit long. Then this one. So now let's see the height. Do we have the height? We do not have. That is why we had to draw the auxiliary of it. We had to draw this one. So place a drawing compass from here till the center. Actually, even if you place it from to the center, still running the same thing from here till there, or from here till here, still running the same thing. Then after that, then I come and place it here and give it a mark right there. So this one is going to give me my the horizontal center line that is at an angle of 30 degrees. Anti-clockwise, have it like this. Then after that, we are taking the dimension from your auxiliary. So I'll place my drawing compass here at the center till here, at this point. Accurate, this is it. Now I come in and place it here at this point. I mark here and I mark there. You understand? So now I will have this one solid from here till right here. You understand? So now I can project these points up, faint, up and up. So what I did here, I can also do it there. So I mark here and I mark there, I mark here and I mark there. Even if you just mark it once and then because you just do like this, isn't it? They're supposed to be at the same line, but then what you did here, it's supposed to be actually at this. So I'll further extend it just a little bit. Then from there is supposed to be actually here and there, not on this one. Erase it. So which means now without fear or favor, I can have this one solid from here till there. Can draw it solid now, and again this side from here till there I can draw it dark. You understand? So now let's get the height. This distance from here to your center supposed to be the same, since here at your auxiliary from here till there is the same as from here till there. You understand? So even here from here till there it's supposed to be the same. So now I'll have it solid at an angle of 30 anti-clockwise. There you go, dark like this. See? Then now you can take your 30mm ruler, you join this point with that one. There you go, and like this you go. Like this you can go. Like this you can go. So I don't understand why they said we must expose the back view, because this is the back view actually. So it's this one, then from there I'll erase this one. It was supposed to be drawn faint. Actually it was supposed to be drawn faint. So just erase it a little bit. So now what I can do, I'll take this point at this direction, this one and this one. You understand? So what's supposed to remain as solid here is from here to right there. So I'll take this point and as well as this one and this one and this one at this angle. I've just spoiled my work now. So this one, I'll start with this one. There it goes. In this one, take this one, it will help you there. There it goes. There it goes. Then now let's look at the length of it. The length of it, the set from here till here is 40mm. So I'll draw it from here till there. There is your 40mm. 40mm. And then it will be going up like this, vertically up, which is which one is this one from here till here. At your left right view is this one from here till there. So whereas we do not have a dark line from here till here, which means again from there till there we do not have to draw it dark. You understand? So whereas this one from there till there, it will further continue. So 40, where your 40 ends begin 60. You understand? So which means from there till there is 40 plus 60. So the 40 plus 60, I can record it right from here which is 100 millimeter. So from here till there, 100 millimeter. Then once I've got my 100 millimeter, so I'm gonna go vertically up, which is this one, from here to there, 100 millimeter. Then from there, let's look at what is going to happen now. So we are going to get a line that's going to be parallel to this one. So how? So now this one, as much as we can see, it is dark from here till there, which means it's this one from here till there. I am going to draw it dark. There it is. Then now let me extend this one just a little bit. There it goes. So the same 100 millimeter that I did here, from here till there, I will do it here now. And I do not draw, I mark, so that now I join this one with that one solid, you understand. Then from there, extend this one just a little bit again. There you go, so that I can have it close to dark right there. Then the 60 millimeter, so now I can measure from there till the 60 millimeter, which is this one. From here our 60 millimeter is ending right there. Have it dark. Then now I can join using my 30 millimeter ruler. It's actually parallel to this one. It's parallel to this one, parallel to this one. Then from there I can have it dark here as well. Then now have it dark like this. Alright, so what is going to happen, I will take this point, faint, I take this one, faint as well. So let me try to erase these ones so that they don't confuse me. Erase them. In this one now I can erase it, they don't help me anymore. In this one they don't help me anymore. What I drew dark at first, it was not supposed to be dark, because a dark line you can easily erase them, you understand, but I've spoiled my own work now. Okay, so now we are going to have a thickness, because we must get a certain thickness that's going to be like this, or somewhere there. So after I've took this one, there it goes, isn't it? In this one, there it goes. So we are having a diameter of 48, diameter 46, this one 46, diameter 46. So what do you do about it? So this diameter 46 divided by 2, so that you get radius, is going to be 23, isn't it? You open your drawing compass to 23 millimeter. So there is my 24, 23 is this one, isn't it? So I'll come here at this one center, I mark here 23, 23, 23, I mark 23, so that from here till here is 46, isn't it? From here till here is 46. Confirm that. Yes. So after you're done with that one, so we are going to create a square. Have a faint line like this, have another one like this, get an exact point here. Guys, I've exhausted, I'm very tired, just forcing myself here, I'm very exhausted. Okay, now have this one again. Right, so you know the binder method, we are having a square. Well, we've got 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the center of these 2 corners, this is the center of these 2 corners, this is the center of these 2 corners, this is the center of these 2 corners. So you take your 30mm ruler. What do you do with it? You join the 2 longest opposite corner. So, and your line has to pass where these 2 centers are perpendicular to each other. So the 2 longest opposite corner, this corner and this one, they're opposite to each other. This corner and this one, they're opposite to each other. But it says join the 2 longest opposite corner, isn't it? So which is this one. From here till there. So faint. There you go. So after joining the 2 longest opposite corner, I'll join the corner to center, center to corner, center to corner. These 2 lines, they must be parallel to each other. So there you go, faint and center to the corner. There you go, faint. So now I'll place my drawing compass here to get this arc, and here to get this arc, but this one is we are not looking for it. So place the drawing compass here, further extend it till here, and then get an arc that's going to be like this. There you go. Understand? So draw it dark. Then now I'll, to get this one, place my drawing compass here, further extend it till here, then you get that up. Place it. Here you go. Till there, then I can draw it dark. There you go. Draw it dark. There you go. Right, so now I can have this one solid now. From here till there, can have it solid, and again from here till there, have it solid. Like this. Then I can have this one straight away solid now. From here till right there, solid. And I'll have this one again solid. Because of we are told this hole, it is going through through your front view, isn't it? It's not stopping here. You understand? Okay. So again here at this angle, I'll have this one till at that line dark, and again from here till right there dark. So now again from here till there, you understand? So this one is going like this, so which means it's going to go up till right there. Then from there I can have it dark like this, and dark from here till right there, and dark from here till right there. Yes, so now the half that we drew here, now we drew the bottom half, isn't it? So the upper part that was supposed to be somewhere here, it should be now exposed there. You understand? So erase this one before they confuse you on what you're about to draw here, these ones. So now I'll take the center towards this surface. So faint, there it goes. So at this surface. So now erase this one here, so I can go up now, which is this one, isn't it? So now I'll transpose this point at that center. So there it is, and this one where it is now is right there. Then this one is already there, this one is already there. So now here you go, like this you go, like this you go, like that you go. So I've got a corner here, corner there, corner there, corner there. So what we did here, we are now doing it at the back there. You understand? So now join the two longest opposite corner, which is this one, from here till there. Today I'm not teaching, I am just showing. So the corner to center, center to corner. So there you go, and there you go. So this one, we are not looking for it. It's going to appear as a hidden, which is this one. We've done it. So again, this one from here till there, we've done it. We are looking for this one from here till there, and from here till there. So let's get it. So we are going to place a drawing compass here, open it till there, then there you go. So place it here, from here till there, draw it dark. Then now to close it this side from here till there, we must get an arc that will start from here till here, that is opposite to this one. Remember how to do through this arc. We place our compass from here till there, because this is the square. You remember, is corner, 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 corner. It's 4, isn't it? So same applies to this one, is corner, 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 corner. So going to place the drawing compass at this corner, not this one. Remember, this one is for this one. So from here then till there, then you get an arc. So it has to start here and end there, or start here and end here. So which means we're not supposed to draw it dark here, but then it's okay. Again here, you see we were going out because we forgotten that it's going up. You understand? So this is supposed to be even appear there. This one is, which one is this one? So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. I'm very sorry for today. I am very tired, but I've tried my best to answer you guys. So I know that we are having a plenty questions to answer, so it normally becomes simple for me if I'm having a hard copy, you understand. So if it's a software, no. So that was it. So to some of you guys, this was very simple, straightforward. So you cannot get this without the auxiliary, so you have to get the auxiliary, understand, so that you take proper dimension. For instance, we don't know the height from here till here, the length of your octagon, you don't know it. So if you draw it, so it becomes simple for you to get it. You see the point P, the set, get it, you understand. If you take a closer look, if I can explain a bit, even though I'm direct. So the point P, look at it very well there by your right view, is somewhere there, isn't it, of which is what is happening here, you understand. So that's how it's supposed to come. So thank you very much for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Okay.